Ire, Imisi, Ire, Imisi. Orí mi sí bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà yẹ ọ̀yẹ́ máa bọ̀. Ìsinmi ayọ̀dà. Mo fẹ́ bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọmọlúwàbí. Ọmọlúwàbí nítorí ẹ̀ sílẹ̀. Ó ti pọ̀ jù lọ. Ó ti dá bẹ́ẹ̀. Kí ni mo pè ọmọlúwàbí?
Omoluwabi.
Ọmọlúwàbí.
Omoluwabi.
Yes. So Omoluwabi is a Yoruba word that when we break it down, it means Omo. Do you know Omo? What is Omo?
Child.
Child. Yes. Omo-ti that Olu-iwa-bi, that Olu-iwa gave birth to. And who is Olu-iwa? Olu-iwa is the custodian of character. So Omoluwabi simply means a person of good character. Yeah? Kí ni mo ló mean o? Omoluwabi means what?
A person of good character.
Yes, a person of good character. Omoluwabi, that is the Yoruba word of a person of good character. And before you can be called an Omoluwabi, you must have exhibited certain traits, certain behaviors. Kí wọ́n tó lè pè é lọ́mọlúwàbí, o ní láti ní àwọn ìwà kọ̀ọ̀kan tó ń wù. Yeah? So I'm going to go through some of these characters for you, which I expect you to make use in your own life. Number one is respect. Yoruba values respect so much. An Omoluwabi is a respectful person. And respect in Yoruba starts from greeting. Ikini. In Yoruba, we have ways that we greet. As a child, as a young person, there are ways you should greet an adult. And like I've taught you before, when you see somebody older than you, how do you greet them? What do you do? So show me. And if it's a female, what do?
They
They go on their knees. Ìkúnlẹ̀. Yes. So ọkùnrin máa ń dọ̀bálẹ̀, obìnrin ó máa ń kúnlẹ̀. So when you see somebody older than you are, daddy's friend, mommy's friend, as a Yoruba boy, you don't stretch out your hands to shake them, you dọ̀bálẹ̀ for them. Yeah? That shows you are an Omoluwabi. You get that? Another way is the way you talk. Ọ̀rọ̀ sísọ. Yeah? Ọ̀rọ̀ sísọ can also determine whether you are an Omoluwabi or not. Yoruba people don't talk anyhow. Especially when you are talking to people who are older than you are. You don't use O for somebody that is older than you. What do you use? Very good. That shows respect. So when you see daddy's friend, you see mommy's friend, you don't use O for them. You use Ekasama, Epelema. You only use O for somebody that is your mate. You understand? So The way you talk to people also is an indication of whether you are an Omoluwabi or not. So we've talked about greeting, we've talked about the way you speak to people. You should speak with manners. You understand? So we don't talk anyhow in Yoruba. Another one that would show whether you're an Omoluwabi or not is truthfulness. An Omoluwabi speak the truth all the time. Omoluwabi don't lie. A kì í parọ́. Wàá sọ òtítọ́. Like I've told you, speak the truth. Even though you get into trouble, be ready to face the trouble and come out of it. But you speak the truth. Okay? Another one is hard work. An Omoluwabi is a hard-working person. Omoluwabi is not lazy. A kì í ṣọ̀lẹ. Omoluwabi máa ń jẹ́ alákíkanjú ènìyàn. They work. They don't lazy about. They don't loaf about. So that is another way you can know an Omoluwabi. When somebody is hardworking. Okay? Another way you can know an Omoluwabi is through their relationship and interaction with other people. An Omoluwabi is never proud. Wọn kì í gbéraga. Humility, ìwà pẹ̀lẹ́, it's one main character of an Omoluwabi. You must be humble. You must what? Be humble. You must be humble. You must show respect to people around you. You don't feel too big of yourself. You understand what I'm saying? Humility is key in life. Respect people around you. Be humble. Whatever position you find yourself, don't think you are better than everybody else. Yeah? Treat people right. Don't carry shoulder. That's the balance we use where we come from. You know? Don't carry shoulder. Yeah? Be humble. Relate to people well. That is another trait of what? Of an Omoluwabi. And the last one that I can tell you about an Omoluwabi is helping people around you. When you have money, use it to benefit others. When you have a gift, use it to benefit others. When you want to say something? Yeah. Yes, homeless people, people that you see around in your society that you think need help. Help them out. Yeah? That is a good character of an Omoluwabi. Yeah? So this is how we behave in Yoruba. This is one key factor I'm teaching you of our culture. Iwa Omoluwabi ó ṣe pàtàkì ní ilẹ̀ Yoruba. Okay? I hope you guys will not forget all these things I've taught you today, and you can make use of it in your life. Yeah? Alright, then. You got any question for me? What question do you have? Yoruba speaking is what you need. Yes, you need it. You need to know how to speak your language. Only Latin, go Yoruba. Only Latin, so Yoruba. You are trying, okay? Well done. Well done. Alright, then I'll let you guys go now. And then we talk some other time. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kí àwọn ará yín kú dàbọ̀. Ó dàbọ̀. Ó dàbọ̀. Ó dàbọ̀. Alright.